Hi guys, Stepchildofthesun here, and I've got Captain Psychology sitting next to me, and we are playing Jotun today. It's a new game that we've only seen the trailer for it. I have heard nothing else about it. We just saw it on Xbox Store or whatever it was. Thought it looked cool. Argued a little bit about whether the character was a girl or a guy, and whether that was a beard, and decided to get it.
Yeah. Ég man eftir hljóðin, þegar viðurinn splundraðist, ýlfrinu í vindinum og öldu skellum í andliti mínu. Húð mín fraus úr kulda, sem var ólíkur öllu sem ég hafði áður upplifað, og skipið okkar sökk. Í vægðarlausu djúpi sjávarins tók hálf gegnsætt net ránar við mér. Ég var dregin dýpra og dýpra í átt að gyðju sjávarins. Dauðinn var kominn til að sækja mig. Baráttuvilji sálar minnar myndi ekki nægja til að slökkva þorsta ránar í bráð sína. Myrkri kom, en þegar ég vaknaði var ég ekki í höll þangs og beina, heldur í kyrrð og þögn.
Okay, so, I can't move yet. Oh, there we go.
Mm-hmm.
I can move. Okay, so, I'd already gone through and specifically, yeah, that's the word, put on the subtitles, so that part there was definitely supposed to not be in English.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was Icelandic or Old English or something like that.
I'm gonna probably go with Icelandic.
Well, Icelandic, Old English, and all the thing were actually very similar.
Tenging hinna nýju heima, gullfallegur.
Could also be Norwegian or Swedish. There's Scandinavia, so it's the Viking area, Iceland.
Yeah, I don't think Old English fits the theme, really. Also, I feel like Old English, some of the words should sound familiar to you and me, right?
I understood a couple of the words.
The only one I got was Yggdrasil.
Well, they said Dipya and Deepya earlier, which is deeper and deeper.
Did they?
Yeah. I also remember
the spooky cave.
Yeah. I also remember Old English, Icelandic, Old Norwegian, and Old Swedish stuff are very similar.
Mound. That sounds like a hobbit place. Can I break the...
Í hverju borði þarf að finna eina rún. Þegar hún hefur verið fundin, ræður þú hvort þú heldur áfram að kanna svæðið eða snýrð aftur í ginnungagap.
Who's talking to me? Oh, fuck yeah, I'm gonna break this log. Wait, do I have a heavy attack? Hell yeah, I have a heavy attack. Holy shit, did I break the island I'm on? That's awesome. Oh, it grows back.
So I only have so much time.
She is a badass as all get out.
She beat up a root.
Okay, yeah, but clearly it's a magical root.
I love it when you chew some spearmint gum and drink water.
Yeah, so if you hear the cow chewing cud noise, that's Cap here.
I spit the gum out.
Oh, okay.
It's not
well,
professional.
if you heard it earlier.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Ooh, is that a rune or is that just a gem? Ooh, it's a flower.
Hit it. Hit it.
I can't.
Okay.
I can't attack the flowers. I was trying to. Ooh, this looks bad. I feel like I should avoid those. Oh,
yes.
That's poison. Ow, 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 ow. Do the flowers maybe heal me? No, they don't do anything.
Well, go up. See if you can go further up the screen.
Not really.
Well, then just time it.
Yeah, I was gonna try and follow this path here.
Go.
Eeps. Whoa. Hi. There. Bye? Are you a rune?
I guess you're supposed to activate a couple of them.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't know how to activate it.
You might have to like hit a couple of them and something happens.
Okay.
Because we don't know. We first time playing it, so.
Yeah. So clearly in this one we are a chick who has gone on to the afterlife. I'm guessing.
Yeah. Oh.
That's a dude's face. Ooh, this is a rune.
Mimir.
I have no idea who that is. Whoa, hi there. Oh, I healed. He healed me.
Hinn helgi mýmisbrunnur, þar sem ég fórnaði auga mínu,
Dude.
mun endurnýja bæði líf þitt og krafta.
Thank you. Okay, awesome.
Mimir is one of the wisest of the Vanir, or yeah, Vanir, I believe.
Oh,
And
this is-
here's the one who gets killed by Loki. Or not actually Loki, but Loki tricked his brother in killing him.
I just walked right through that guy. Is that guy a ghost? Or did I walk underneath his legs because I'm that tiny compared to him? I don't know because the camera angle.
I'll explore some more instead of just
That's
walking
true.
through
Well, I was
something.
trying to like talk to him.
Oh, you activated one rune earlier, and that's why that was there. You have to activate 3 runes probably. So
I don't know
go.
that I activated it. It
You
looked like that
walked across a
before.
rune, and one of these 3 things are active. So
I thought it looked
Perhaps.
like that before I went up to it.
you just got here. I'm just assuming.
Well, no, the other one looked that color before I really,
Ooh, careful.
before I
Well,
walked up to
If
it.
we find more, we'll find out.
Okay. I kind of want to. Oh gosh! Ow! No! Ow!
Don't. Yeah, light attacks.
Ow! Stop it! Screw you guys. Get lost! Nope. I've seen enough hentai to know where that's not going. Ah. Ow! Stop it!
I don't think you really have to kill them. They seem to be some of them.
Yeah, but I just wanted them away. Oh god! Oh no! This is bad!
Look, go back the way you came, or up and around. Just swing.
Oh god! I'm gonna die here!
There you go.
Oh god! This is not a good place to be. Oh god. Her range feels very short. I don't know why.
It's an axe.
Okay, yeah. That's fair.
Oh,
stop it!
How long do you think you don't have to kill them. Unless it's directly in your way, walk by him.
Let's see if I can remember where that well was.
Keep going forward.
Ugh. Yeah, so clearly...
See? 2 are active after you activate the other one.
Okay.
So go down, down. There's where the well was.
Oh, there it is, okay.
Told you.
Yeah, so clearly, if you guys had not picked up on this, which I'm sure you already have...
Or does he only heal you once?
Oh, no! That sucks so hard. Maybe I just need to wait. Buddy? Damn it!
Oh, go up to his head. See if he says anything. Nothing? Nothing?
Buddy? Could really use a lift.
Nope, guess it's one shot for a while, or ever.
Fudge.
Might go forward or north.
If you guys hadn't already picked up on it,
And west, probably.
Cap is much more, well-versed in,
Norse mythology.
Norse mythology than I.
Oh, you
That
just
was
like...
stupid. I just ran right into it like a dumbass.
I know, you keep running right into it all. God.
Þér hefur mistekist að
I
ávinna þér
failed
heilli
to impress the
goðanna.
gods because I ran straight into it like a dumbass.
Yeah, you have that habit.
I kind of forgot that they were the bad flowers for a second.
You were taking damage and I said, boy, you took damage from earlier.
Yeah, but that was like a good 5 minutes ago.
Okay. Don't.
Yeah.
Did it swing? Did it
And
save?
hopefully it saved my progress.
Yes.
Yes, cool.
That way. This time.
Do not walk straight into those things. Follow the road past, follow the stones, right?
I don't
Will
know.
the stones save me? Will they
No.
lead me right? No, they won't. No, they don't lead me right. Will you help me? Will you heal me?
No, that's.
Máttur dísanna ætti að rjúfa innsigli grafhauksins.
I don't know what that means.
That's the thing earlier that you saw.
It still is not going to help me. I'm not going to be able to make it through here again.
Hit the flowers.
I mean,
I just. Nothing. Okay. Well, it's about timing. Because you can tell when they're ready to explode.
is it less... Is it a shorter path this way?
I don't know. We don't have a map.
I don't know either. I should have explored more before running through here. Alright, after this one, here we go.
No, not after that one.
No?
No.
After the last one?
Now go. Along the northern path, yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, I have no idea. Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's just down there.
Whoa! Whoa, did she heal me? Awesome!
Mér hlotnast heilun goðanna. Hilsi þér frigg,
Oh,
drottning Áskars, gyðja fæðingar og visku.
awesome!
Probably the expecting.
Coolio!
Yeah, it's probably all Norse language. Now that I think about it. I'm an idiot for thinking about that.
Not idiot.
I mean, like I said, all those old Germanic languages all sound like. It's weird because English is supposed to be, I think, Eastern Germanic, which is the same as like German and crap. But it really is more. Yeah, you already got that.
I already,
It's really more similar to Western, which
Well-
is Norwegian and stuff. You go down. You're already here. Go down and around.
English basically ganged up and
No, I'm talking about original, where our family group, not what we
it
are
is
now.
today.
Yeah.
because at this point in time, English has basically attacked all other languages and stolen their lunch money and pilfered, spare grammar.
Goðin ein vita hvað dvelur í þessum haug.
Whoa.
Now you can probably go down to Mimir.
And get some healing from him.
Yeah, I think so.
Ooh, cool music.
Yeah, there's probably guys out to kill. You see the well's filled and his eyes glow, so maybe now you can get a little something.
A little something from him. Ooh. Hi, buddy. Thank you.
And he's giving you the side eye.
I do see that side eye. He does not think that I have proven my worth yet, which, to be fair, I'm not doing too
Oh,
hot.
enemies.
Oh, hey, buddy. Ow! Nope. Screw you. Come here. Get your butt over here. Ow. Oh, that's a health bar down the bottom. Okay. Holy crap, he got huge. Or did the camera just...
No, he got bigger. He's walking like he just shot himself.
Oh, God.
Yeah, he's getting bigger.
Okay. Oh, stop it. Wait, why is your health going up? Uh-oh.
What do you mean? No, every time you hit him, it goes and moves up.
I can't... It looks like it's getting... Oh, okay. It looked like it was doing the
Megi
opposite.
þessi signi dauði veita þér endanlegan frið.
She's so much kinder than me.
She has dignity and honor.
That is true. I have neither of those. Ooh. Oh, it's creepy. Oh, it's cool. I have no idea what that is.
That would be a room.
Whoa.
Þú hefur fundið rún jarðar, skógarjötun sinn sem myndar heild með náttúrunni. Haltu áfram að kanna svæðið eða snúðu aftur í ginnungagap.
Ginnungagap?
Ginnungagap.
Okay.
You can continue exploring or continue an hour. Better get some batteries for the controller soon.
Yeah, okay.
So I guess you can go to the mist or just explore around there. Maybe.
Do we go into the mist?
Or continue exploring. It just said that. You're going to Ginnungagap.
I don't know what else there was.
To continue exploring.
No. Oh, the void. That's scary.
It's not that scary just because it's a void.
Okay, something called the void sounds ominous and terrifying.
Psh, you're fine.
The Barrow Mound. See, that sounds so much less ominous and terrifying.
Barrow Mound's where you bury the dead. Haven't you played Skyrim?
Okay, we're not going to talk about how many hours that... You know how many hours I've dumped into Skyrim. It's a lot.
But yeah, essentially you can just explore around here and die like you are because you're going to go in a place you keep dying at. Or you can continue and progress the game.
I could, go up to where that Frigga statue was. I don't remember exploring much up there, up by there.
It didn't look like there was much.
Oh, alright, so I guess I'm going into the void then.
You can.
Into the void!
I was just suggesting if you're going to explore not to go in the area that keeps killing you.
Fine.
I guess there's other areas. There's Hentaiville, and then there's the area it came
That
from.
is true. Oh, God.
Til að mæta hinum máttugu jötnum þarftu að finna rúnirnar sem eru faldar víðsvegar ríkin. Sigraðu jötnana og sannaðu þig fyrir goðunum.
That doesn't sound difficult at all.
No.
I'm just in Space Forest.
You're, think on Yggdrasil.
I'm on the god tree.
Yeah, tree.
Yggdrasil?
Yeah.
I thought that everything was on Yggdrasil.
Well, you're on like a branch to go to one of the 9 worlds. Basically, you're the hub world.
So I'm supposed to jump through the door.
No, you go through the light.
Oh, okay. Because it was just an empty door leading into the abyss of space at first.
You're fine.
I was a little concerned.
The game would not let you go somewhere.
I
That's
mean,
just
like,
constantly killing
yes, she is a badass Norse warrior. But even badass Norse warrior women have some compunctions about leaping into the abyss of black space.
Unless it's a battle.
That's true. Okay, I'm in...
JERA.
JERA?
Jörð, rún uppskeru, frjósemi og jarðar.
JERA.
Yeah. Your J makes more of a Y sound than, hey, there's, Mimir.
I'm gonna wait until I get
It
more
might also
fucked
be a
up.
save point.
Mm.
Because that's
Should
where
I
you
go
restart.
for it?
Yeah, go for it. It might
Oh.
save you. So Mimir's supposed to be at the bottom of Yggdrasil. Don't know why he keeps popping up everywhere. Oh, maybe he's sleeping. Oh, there you go.
No, I just gotta get to the top of it, apparently.
And I give you that soda.
Yeah, he doesn't think I'm worth his time, apparently. I like these guys. They're happy.
You have to do something.
Other than give me the lights. Whoa! I pressed B and...
Oh, it's God power thing. See up in the corner.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember seeing that on the control thing. Apparently I have a god power now.
Don't know what that does.
I didn't have that before. Oh, can I switch god powers?
You only have one for this.
Oh, okay.
Go check out the eye flower.
I...
Attack it?
Okay.
Touch it.
Oh, God! Holy shit, what the fuck? Oh,
it's a force
shit!
Jotun.
Oh my God, what the fudgeroni?
It's a boss.
Oh my God! Oh God! I'm gonna die! Oh shit!
Maybe attack the big fat belly.
Oh, fuck me!
It's got a pattern. And then stops. So go up, attack the belly. And walk away. Walk away.
Ah! Oh no! Fuck!
Þér hefur mistekist
Shit,
það
damn it.
til goðanna.
Kef just took the controller from me. He was so unimpressed with my skills
No,
there.
I just want to play a little. I mean,
Oh,
shit.
okay. He just wants to play a little now.
We switch up. After
Oh.
after you
That
guys
is
17 times.
terrifying. That thing is massive.
That's what she said.
So like that is one thing that I haven't seen in anything. Which, to be fair, now granted I haven't played Shadow of the Colossus. You have. Is that a vibe that you're getting from this? Just the scale of everything in here is, holy crap, is huge.
Okay, so
Oh, you stunned her. Oh, what the? Oh, that is terrifying. Oh, her belly. Oh, that's so creepy. Oh, and then she's got like the tentacle things that come up.
poison.
Oh. Can you use your god power at all?
I don't know how to do it.
Oh,
Oh,
your
it
god
heals you.
power heals you. That is cool. That's why I didn't do anything earlier, because we were at full health. Oh, okay. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, that's terrifying. Oh, the hentai tentacle thingies. Oh, that is so nerve-wracking. Oh, God. Oh, Eric, back off. Oh, shit. Oh, no.
Þér hefur mistekist
Okay, so
að
pattern
áfrýja
change halfway through, which
goðanna.
threw me off, so...
Oh, and did she have the logs coming out, too, to fuck you up?
Yeah, so you didn't
To
have
slow
free
your
movement.
ability.
Yeah.
Your ability, your
Movement.
mobility.
Yeah.
We finally got Ghostbusters on Redbox, which is
Yeah.
kind of cool. I thought it was alright. I mean, not like the best ever, but also not like the worst thing that ever happened to cinema that everybody had said. Clearly not as good as the first one.
It was,
But-
average, mediocre.
Unfortunately, watching like the extras and everything, a lot of the deleted scenes were funnier than some of the stuff that they had actually put into the movie, which was weird. disappointing. Like, pretty much everything I had seen from what other people had said on Twitter and elsewhere, I can't remember the name of the actress, but Holtzman's character was pretty much the highlight of the entire film. Oh, back off. Oh, shit. You are so close.
If I didn't waste that healing earlier. Want to give it another shot?
Sure.
Yeah, so the 2016 Ghostbusters, or Ghostbusters Answer the Call, I think is what they're starting to call it now.
That's
to
what it
distinguish
is.
it. Average, not the greatest, not horrible. I noticed when I was watching CinemaSins that some I didn't really pay attention to, but there was no straight person in that movie. No, not like sexuality, but no comedic straight man. They were all the comedic person, which is unusual for most ensemble comedies. You normally have that straight man, like Winston or Egon, and the first one to bounce off of. The chemistry was also pretty off. Each individual actress was okay, but as a group, they were... Yeah, they didn't play off each other as well. Strong attack.
Fudge-a-rooney.
Yeah, she goes in a pattern.
Yeah,
Basically,
I know.
you saw the pattern. Yeah, go counterclockwise, so to speak.
Screw you, woman.
Get out of there.
No. Fudge.
So, yeah, like I said, the movie, average, mediocre. Wonder what the hell these blue flowers doing. Maybe they counted the poison gas? I don't know.
Maybe. That's actually a fair... Fudge!
No, you gotta wait after she does the central attack to go up and attack her. But yeah, the character of Kevin, Chris Hemsworth, was a horrible character in there because he was a one-trick pony. He had the super dumb and that's it. And
Yeah, he was very funny after he got taken over by the big bad guy, though.
yeah.
That was quite funny.
Essentially when he was no longer just playing the ultra dumb person. And apparently with the deleted scenes and extras, there were 4 dance numbers that they were supposed to have in that sucker.
That was very weird. Ow!
Nope.
Fudge!
Gotta wait till after she does the thing.
Dang it. Nope. Screw that.
So, there's that. Overall, don't really understand the hate and stuff. I think it was just a hype.
I think you're right.
From-
I think you're right, Kat. I think that the blue flowers do that because when she did that, fudge. When she did that thing there, fuck, I'm dead.
I'm gonna be here.
When she did that poison thing there, normally you can see my house going down there. But as I ran over to that blue flower there, it didn't at all.
Þér hefur mistekist að ávinna þér hilli goðanna.
To impress the gods. These gods are not impressed of. Especially when you keep dying.
To be fair, we really suck. We are not doing this chick justice, whose name I cannot remember.
Thora, I think.
Thora, is that it?
I think. I could be wrong. I think that's
She
what the
is-
trailer said.
She is undoubtedly much more badass than we are.
I don't know, she died in a boat accident. I don't know.
I mean,
But yeah,
I have
so-
gotten injured in far dumber ways.
But I like how Honest Trailers did Honest Trailers. They just did one of Ghostbusters a couple days ago to us as of this recording. And they actually disabled the comments because they're smart enough. You know you can attack what you do. Nope.
No, I do that every time.
Wait for the central attack, then go up.
No! God damn it!
You gotta back away. Back away. Don't tank it. You can't tank her. I mean, you can try to tank her all you want, but, you know, she's gonna say no tanks. see, I think. Just got our first issue of I Hate Fairyland, a comic from Image, but written by Scotty Young.
I read the very first one, and it was really good.
So the reason we're getting it is we had tried to subscribe to Rat Queens a while back, and apparently
Rat Queens was great, but
the creator,
God dang it!
yeah, the creator of it, there's a lot of stuff in the background, and apparently they put the comic on almost permanent hiatus.
Dang it!
So we contacted Image and they switched our subscription to I Hate Fairyland. So hopefully that'll be cool. We like some of the strange unusual. We still collect regular things like Miss Marvel and that stuff, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, the concept with I Hate Fairyland is basically this young girl. I think she's like what 7?
I don't know. She
or
got
8?
trapped in Fairyland and hates it. Hence the name.
Yeah, this is basically a young child got taken to Fairyland as a child and has spent close to like 27. She's by age, she's still in the body of a child, but she is aged to the point where she's like 27 or 37 or something like that, and is still stuck in Fairyland. So she has the mentality of like this battle-hardened, alcoholic, gambling, pissed off woman that's still stuck in the body of a child. And of course, because of this, everybody in Fairyland hates her guts, and she hates their guts, and she just wants to get out, but for whatever reason, can't. Because she has yet to fulfill the quest that she needs to do to make her way out of Fairyland. And the comics just follow all of that. Just her quest to make her way out. And the hell and chaos that ensues.
Damn.
Yeah, it's tough to get out of that one. If you're in the shadow of that when she's there, it's hard to get out of the way. Oh shit. Heal. Okay, you did. Oh yeah, I forgot that we have a dodge button. Dodging works. Instead of just walking out of the way. I'm a stupid. Ow. Get her. You did it! You're so good!
Hey! Take that, you Jotun woman.
Very creepy. Very creepy. Creature. Oh, our flower died.
No, that's a good thing.
I don't know. I feel a little bad. These are some majestic creatures.
We're trying to oppress the gods.
I mean, I guess that's good.
Ég heiti Thora og ég var fædd til að berjast. 9 stormasömmum nóttum eftir fæðingu mína nefndi faðir minn mig eftir þrumuguðinum. Faðir minn var höfðingi þorpsins. Ásamt bróður mínum og áhöfn þeirra sigldi hann höfin á stærðarinnar langskipi og ávann sér bæði ríkidæmi og vegsemd. Mér var kennt að berjast á unga aldri. Viska móður minnar, hugrekki föður míns og sögurnar af goðunum veittu mér innblástur til að verða hinn fullkomni bardagamaður. Þegar ég hafði aldur til, gaf faðir minn mér mína ástkæru exi og hleypti mér borð í langskip sitt.
Okay, so...
So, is this supposed to represent the tree?
Yeah, these are the Jotuns I think we have to kill. So that looks like the first one. That's something. This is ice, maybe?
So, okay, and the Jotuns are the giants that are the bad guys, right?
Yeah. No, that. And these are the runes we collect from them. So I guess we can choose our stage. Maybe.
So I guess it's not linear, it's very open world.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be storm giants, I'm guessing. See all the lightning?
And this leads to the boss.
Ooh. Oh, should we not head to the boss yet?
I don't think we got the rune to activate it.
Oh. Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, we don't have this rune. I was just seeing how this thing was set up. So we need the that rune.
So we need to go to the storm giant world, get the runes, and then it would unlock the door.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's if we want to go that one. So let's go back down and see what Jotuns we got. So yeah, cloud, storming, force we just did. That's, yeah, we took out this one.
Yeah.
Yep, see, there's the rune and it's all goodness. Okay.
Looks like one you'd see on like a video game.
Well,
The rune.
that's because it is a video game.
You know what I mean.
So which one do we want to go to?
I mean, storm giants are cool.
There's the one go up. And like most games, rolling seems to be faster than walking sometimes.
It always is.
Left or right?
Left.
So right. Oh, I forgot what that was. Alright, northern sky.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Ríki sólar og mána. Vörpum örlitlu ljósi á þennan stað.
Ooh. Ding. Oh.
Ow!
Oh, wow. Okay.
Look at that creates electricity. I don't know if I should still be doing it or not.
Should you be doing it in the pattern to create... I was wondering if you should be doing it...
You know, I'm just playing right now.
Okay.
Can we deactivate? Yes.
I think you should be doing it to try and replicate that constellation there on the side.
Which constellation is that?
Íkornasendiboðin, ratatoskur.
That is not what we would call it.
No, I'm pretty sure that looked like Cassiopeia, right?
Um,
Oh no. Anyway, I think we played enough for this time, and we'll pick up right here next time.
I don't really see a save point.
Yeah, I don't
But
see.
we did enter a new area, so I think we're gonna stop here. But it was lovely playing with you guys, and if you enjoy it, remember to leave us a like and maybe a comment telling us where you think we should head after Storm Giants, or what is this, Cloud Giants?
Something like that.
Something like that, whatever. So, we'll see you guys next time. Enjoy!